Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville today. In northeastern Florida, a moist and increasingly west-southwest flow is setting the stage for a Gulf-dominant sea breeze, directing scattered thunderstorms along the Interstate 95 corridor and the First Coast. The hot and humid air mass, combined with slight cooling aloft, enhances afternoon destabilization. While upper-level winds remain weak, model soundings indicate a pocket of dry lower-level air that may promote robust downbursts, potentially leading to strong or locally damaging wind gusts between 40 to 60 miles per hour, with deeper convection this afternoon. The risk of flooding is lower today due to a brisk steering flow. Convection is expected to peak between 3 to 6 p.m. before moving off into the Atlantic. As storms exit eastward, partly cloudy skies will prevail overnight. Westerly near-surface winds will limit fog formation, but may favor low-stratus development toward the Suwannee Valley early Thursday. Hot conditions will persist, with highs reaching into the mid-90s and heat index values pushing into the lower hundreds. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne. In East Central Florida, the weather pattern remains consistent, with daytime convection primarily influenced by peak heating and the development of sea breezes. The deepest convection is expected over the interior, where weak flow allows sea breezes to push inland and collide. Forecast soundings indicate convective available potential energy values between 3,000 to 3,500 joules per kilogram over parts of the interior, suggesting that any lift could trigger stronger storms. Additionally, downdraft convective available potential energy values around 1,200 to 1,400 joules per kilogram point to the possibility of severe downbursts. While the threat is marginal, it remains noteworthy. High temperatures will continue in the low 90s, with the interior regions experiencing the most significant convection. National Weather Service Area Forecast Discussion. Tampa. In west central Florida, the weather is characterized by hot and humid conditions, with a mix of clouds and sun. A thunderstorm is possible in spots this afternoon, and caution is advised for prolonged outdoor activities. High temperatures are expected to reach the mid-90s, with heat index values potentially exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of heat and humidity may lead to the development of isolated thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon. While severe weather is not anticipated, localized downpours and gusty winds could occur with any storms that develop. Pilots should be aware of potential convective activity during peak heating hours. Area forecast discussion. Miami. In South Florida, a weak mid-level ridge is beginning to flatten as a shortwave trough forms in the southern United States. Despite this, a quasi-zonal flow pattern will persist through Thursday morning. Daytime convection will continue to be driven by peak heating and sea breeze development, with the deepest convection forming over the interior where sea breezes collide. Forecast soundings show convective available potential. Energy values between 3,000 to 3,500 joules per kilogram over parts of the interior, indicating the potential for stronger storms. Downdraft convective available potential energy values around 1,200 to 1,400 joules per kilogram suggest that a couple of severe downbursts are possible. While the overall threat is marginal, it warrants attention. High temperatures will remain in the low 90s across most of the region. Summary of the peninsula's weather. Across the Florida Peninsula today, the dominant weather pattern is characterized by hot and humid conditions, with the potential for afternoon thunderstorms driven by sea breeze interactions and peak daytime heating. In the northern regions, such as Jacksonville, a moist west-southwest flow is enhancing the development of scattered thunderstorms along the coast, with the possibility of strong wind gusts due to dry air aloft, promoting downbursts. Central areas like Melbourne are experiencing similar conditions, with interior regions seeing the most significant convection due to sea breeze collisions and high convective available potential energy values. In the west central region around Tampa, isolated thunderstorms may develop in the afternoon heat, posing localized threats of downpours and gusty winds. Southern areas, including Miami, continue to see convection driven by sea breeze interactions, with the potential for strong storms and severe downbursts in the interior. Pilots operating across the peninsula should remain vigilant for rapidly developing thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoon and early evening hours, and be prepared for potential turbulence, reduced visibility, and gusty winds associated with convective activity.